This whole approach is using cutting-edge robotics to delicately study the deep sea. We use what they're calling a Pokeball to almost do an alien abduction of something like a jellyfish, where the jellyfish would be encased, it would be scanned and looked at, and then the jellyfish would be let go. We imagine that jellyfish trying to tell the other jellyfish about what just happened to it. It's like the Roswell of jellyfish, land.
This is just the first step. It's really early stage proof of concept, and it's all choreographed by just one motor applying a torque. To see it all come together was pretty cool.